So this is my hair before curling them. I'm just gonna quickly show you the technique and then I'm gonna talk about the whole process. So you want to section your hair like this, very easy, very random sectioning. Actually, it doesn't have to be perfect. So as you guys can see, this is the section. So I'm just gonna comb my hair before I start curling them, and just make sure that you do that. You want to make sure you have this curler. If you don't have, Dyson will also work. Basically what we're doing, we are taking the ends of the hair in that clip thingy on this curler, and then we are moving upwards, as you guys can see, curling them. And then you obviously have to wait a little bit before you release it. And the way you release it is, you don't release it all together. You just have to press onto this little clip slowly so that we can also curl the ends of the hair, as you guys can see. I don't know how to explain it. I hope that the video demonstration is enough to understand, but basically we just take the ends of the hair, we stuck it under this clip thingy on this curler, and then we just curl it upwards towards the roots of the hair, and then we slowly, like this, really slowly release it so that we can keep on curling them even when we are releasing that hair part, the hair strand that we're curling. So that's what you want to do. Even if it's messy as it is right now in this video, just curl them with your hands like this, and that would be enough. I know it looks messy, I know it does not look very curly, but just trust the process. This is the process we're gonna be following all throughout. So I'm just gonna show you once again and try my best to explain. Grab the ends in that clip thingy, curl it upwards towards the roots of the hair, and then just slowly release it like that, and this will give you a nice curl. Also, if you want tighter curls, make sure the sections you're taking of the hair are smaller. But if you want more wavy kind of curl, then make sure that the sectioning of your hair that you're doing, or the section you're taking to curl, is a little thicker, right? So mine was somewhere in between. As you guys can see, I always curl them with my hands, and then do not touch them, do not do anything to them, let them be, okay? And just curl your hair all throughout, and then I will show you the secret tool and the secret step that nobody talks and nobody is actually talking about on the internet, and nobody ever talked about on the internet, and I'm really surprised why not. And I almost didn't want to give you guys this tip, but it just worked so well that I just felt bad gatekeeping that. So I'm just gonna do it all throughout my head, and I'm just gonna fast forward. Again, the sectioning here is again really simple, and I clipped my hair on the top of my head. As you guys can see, I don't even know how to explain this sectioning, but I hope the video demonstration is enough to explain you guys, right? So I sometimes also curl my hair without sectioning my hair, and that also works really well, but I just really wanted to show you how to actually do it in a very proper manner. That's what I'm doing here. Also, you guys, in this video I actually freshly washed my hair this day, and my hair really silky. Does not look like that in this video for sure, but they're really silky. They cannot hold anything in place. So with that being said, this technique worked so well that my hair actually stayed curled until my next wash. Given that my hair are really silky, and also that I did this thing, I curled my hair on the same day that I washed my hair. So on my wash day, my hair cannot hold any hairstyle, any curl, or anything in general. But this technique worked so well that my hair worked like this until my next wash. So you can just imagine how amazing of the technique this is. By the way, if you are not interested in knowing how to curl your hair, because you know and you have your own technique, you can completely skip this part. You can completely jump onto the part where I show you guys how to actually make them stay like that. But if you want to learn and if you want the exact same results, then I would suggest actually following the similar process of curling hair. correct? And if you don't have the same similar looking curler and you don't have this clip thingy on your curler, you don't have to worry about it. You can just, wrap your hair around, but just do it in the similar manner. But it's really, really easy when the clip is there, or maybe you have a Dyson, because Dyson also kind of holds your hair in place. So I'm just gonna fast forward this process and I will meet you guys with the secret technique. Also, you guys, when you're curling your bangs or the front facing hair, you don't want to hold it for a longer period of time. Just curl it and right away just release it. And I'm gonna do the same thing right here. As you guys can see, I just released it really quickly because the curler was really hot. Basically, you don't want really tight looking curls when it comes to your bangs, okay? So just make sure you do that. So this is how they look after the whole process. They look good, but trust the process where they're gonna look even better, all right? So this is how they should look, all right? Now the secret tool is hair dryer. You just want to not dry your hair, but use this hair dryer while combing your hair with your fingers like I'm doing in this video. I don't know what it does, but it actually makes the curls stay in place until your next wash. And I do not understand the science behind it because I'm not a hairstylist. But if you are, maybe just try and explain it, how it does it. But not just that it helps in holding the curls, it actually made my curls look that much more better than before, okay? They look that much more natural, flowy, they are not looking very like chunky. They do not look chunky. They look really, I don't know what the word I'm looking for, but they look better than before, all right? I'm not the best person when it comes to explaining stuff when it comes to hair, right? So yeah, that's the secret ingredient, very simple. We did not use any hair product. Yes, if you want, you can use your heat protectant, of course use that, but did not use any holding cream, any spray, or none of that crap. And my hair actually stayed like this until the next wash, and I was really surprised, right? I was actually not surprised because I actually had done it before. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. Give it a try. Let me know if this is working for you or not. My hair looking real good, curls are looking real good, and yeah, that's that. Like, is anybody giving you such good advices on the internet? No, nobody is, right? Everybody's using a bunch of crap on their hair, on their skin. But I just don't believe in that. I was so confused. I never really liked putting products on my hair, as in the holding creams and the sprays, and I was so confused until I found this technique, right? And by the way, this technique is not my technique. I did not find it. I actually got to know about this tip from a hairstylist who gave me the haircut, and he taught me this technique. So I do not remember his name. But if by any chance you're watching this video, please comment down below. But I am pretty sure he's not watching this video. But this tip that he gave me is just life-changing, and I thought I should be sharing it with you guys as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a try, okay? Let me know down in the comment section below if it worked for you or not. I am 100% sure it is going to work for you. If it can work on my hair, it can definitely work on your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video.